Hello friend, good morning. My name is Anurag Sharma and I'm here to deliver a lecture. I'm here to present a topic number system. So uh, today's my topic is representation of representation of representation of rational number on number line. Rational number on number line. So here we have we take one example like 1 by 2. So here we have a number line. Draw a line x and y. Draw a line xy which extend endlessly in both the direction. Take a point O which represent 0 on it and let it present 0. Take a point 0. Take a point O on it and let it represent 0. Take the fixed length called unit length. Mark O, A represent 1. So the distance between O to A represent 1 unit. We can say that OA is equal to 1 unit. Here we have 1 by 2 represent on the number line. So we divide OA in two parts. OA in two parts. We take like that. A, here we take O. This is represent 0. This is represent 1. So we divide it into two parts. First part from O to C and C to A. And count from 0 to 1 part, because here is 1 in the numerator. So if we count from 0 to 1 part, that part is called 1 by 2. Let's take another example, 3 by 5. So first we draw a line x and y which endlessly in both the directions. Now take a point O which represent 0 and another point A which represent 1. So the distance or the length between O to A is 1 unit. We take that 1 unit in here. This is A and this is O. O represent here 0 and A represent here 1. From our example, here in denominator we have 5. So we divide that OA line in 5 parts. So we divide 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first part, second part, third part, fourth part and the fifth part. Now we count numerator 3. So we count from 0 to 3. First, second and third. Here we got 3 by 5. Now let's take another example. Minus 4 by 5. How can we represent minus 4 by 5 on the number line? It's simply we can take a line xy and lastly line in both the direction x and y, and we take one point O which represent 0 and another point A which represent 1. The distance between O to A is 1 unit. Okay, now in the same way here minus 1 which represent, in the same way we take another point V which represent minus 1. So from O to minus 1, this is also a 1 unit distance, but in negative direction, and O to A in positive direction. So our number is negative, so we take in negative direction O2B. So here we take O2V. This is our O, this is our B. B represent -1, O represent 0. In our denominator we have 5. So we divide this OB line into 5 equal parts. We can divide 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 5 equal parts, one part, second part, third part, fourth part and the last fifth part. Now we have numerator -4. So we count from 0 to -1 in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 1. So we count from 0 to -1. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's the point is called -4 by 5 in a negative direction. Okay. Now let's take another example like 7 by 5. We can represent 7 divided by 5 on number line. So we first draw a line. So here we just first draw a simple line, endlessly line x and y in both the direction. Here we represent one point O, this is represent 0 and A represent 1 and B represent 2. So the distance between O to A is 1 unit and A to B is also a 1 unit, and distance between O to B is 2 unit. The whole distance O to B is 2 unit and O to A 1 unit and A to B is 1 unit. Now we can represent 7 by 5 as 1, 2 by 5. It's a mixed fraction. It's called a mixed fraction form. So we can represent 7 by 5 in the form of 1 into 2 by 5. This is also equal 7 by 5. So we take one complete unit, that means 0 to 1, and next we count 1 to 2, 2 by 5. So here on the number line it's a 0, it's a 1, it's a 2. So our number exists from 1 to 2 because we count 1, 0 to 1, 1 unit completely, and after that 2 by 5 parts. That means 2 by 5 parts exist on the 1 to 2, means A to V. So we take that A to B part in here. This is called B, this is called A. 1, A represent 1 here, 2 represent B, B represent 2. Now let's see the denominator 5. So we can 5. So we can divide AV line in 5 equal parts. Divide it into 5 equal parts. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the 5 equals part. 1, 2, 3 part, 4th part and the 5th part. Now let's count from A because 1 is completed and after that 2 by 5. So in our number we have a numerator 2. So we count from A to 2. This is 1, this is 2. So that point is called our number. That means 1, 2 by 5. Or so that part is called our number 7 by 5. So we can represent our number like in that. This is called O, this is called A, this is called B. O represent here 0, A represent here 1, B represent here 2. If we count O to A, this is 1 unit complete. And if we divide A to B in 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we count from A to V, 2, that's represent in the form of 2 by 5. So that part is called our 7 by 5. Now let's take another example, minus 13 by 4. 13 by 4. We can write down minus 13 by 4 like 3 into 1 by 4 in a mixed fraction form. We can write down minus 13 by 4 in the form of minus 3 into 1 by 4. This is all also is equal to minus 13 by 4. So this number we can represent on number line, like we can take a line x, y in a both direction endlessly. We can take a point O, which is represent 0, A, which is represent 1 unit, B, which is represent minus 1, C, which is represent minus 2, and lastly line x and y. We can take a point O, which represent 0. We can take a point A, which represent 1. We can take a point V, which represent minus 1. We can take a point C, which represent minus 2. Point D, which represent minus 3. Point E, which represent minus 4. So our number exists minus 3. That means we can take a distance 0 to minus 3 and 1 by 4. That 1 by 4 part exists from minus 3 to minus 4. So we can take that part in blue like minus 3. Minus 3 represent here D and minus 4. Minus 4 represent here E. Okay. So our number we can represent in the form of mixed fraction minus 3, 1 by 4. We can complete minus 3 here. And after that 1 by 4, that means we can divide the ED line into 4 equal parts. So here we can divide 1, 2 and 3. This is the 1, this is a 2, this is the third part, this is the fourth part. Now we can calculate from minus 3 to first part. So we can calculate minus 3 to first, this part. This part is called our answer. Minus 3 into 1 by 4. This is equal to minus 13 by 4. So we can represent here. Here is some point C, minus 2. Here is some point V, minus 1. Here is some point A, 0. So we can represent a number minus 13 by 4 here. Now let's study decimal number. Now let's start decimal number. Decimal number are those number who can be represented in the form of point decimal, like A point B, like 2.3, like in that form. So the representation of the decimal number on the number line, we can take some method. So the first method, representation of decimal number on the number line. Here we follow some method to find such number, method to find decimal number on number line. Here the first method is choose the two consecutive integral number in which the given number lies. Second point is choose the two consecutive decimal point in which the given decimal part lie by dividing the two given decimal part into required equal part. Third point is visualize the required number through magnifying glass. Now let's take an example like 2.5 represent on number line. So we can take a line endlessly x and y. We take a point O which represents 0. We take a point A which represents 1. We take a point B which represents 2. We take a point C which represents 3. So our number is 2.5. We can represent 2.5 in the form of 5 by 2. And 5 by 2 we can represent 2 into 1 by 2. So here we take from O to B. This is our 2 unit. So that 2 unit is complete, and after that we can left with 1 by 2. That means that 1 by 2 exists in between B and C, between 2 and 3. So we can take that part BC. Here this is C, this is B. B is represented here 2, C represents here 3, and we can divide. The denominator is 2, so we can divide this into 2 equal parts. So here we can divide first part, this is the second part. So we can count from 2 to 3. This part is called a number, means 2.5 or 5 by 2. Here we can represent like this. This is called A represent here 1, O represent here 0. So on the number line we can represent 2 by 5 like this. Now let's